Okay guys, so I am trying to locate a Spotify account that's associated with me, like as an artist, okay? So this is the first step. I'm creating a profile on Spotify, and then I am going to see if there's any accounts that, you know, belong to me, which I don't think so, but let's see. All right, so, oh, surprise, surprise. You type in Bambi, we have Spice, we have Amy, we got a little Scrappy, Saucy Santana. Okay, still scrolling. Yeah, nothing. But isn't that interesting that when you type in Bambi, Spice's name is the first name that populates? We ain't even got nothing in common.
The Cash album, she just not gonna add you on it.
Why? Bambi have 11 listeners on Spotify.
All right, so here it is. Here's the profile that's associated with me. Okay, so there we found a profile that has 58 monthly listeners, which are probably Spice and all her fucking BBLs and all her ugly ass blue wigs. So let me try to gain access to this profile and, you know, let's see how many listeners we can get.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. A minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, I just can't take love and flip-flops seriously, you know. You know what I mean? And all of these made-up storylines too. You know what I mean? Make Spice. I don't know. You see what I say? Because we know Spice not need Bambi of all people to get views on Spotify, putting in the comment section waiting about that, because if we just say Shenseea, maybe, you know what I mean, we could entertain the gossip and mix-up argument, but come on, people, who's really behind this? You see what I say? Nevertheless, let's give you that quick update while going for to go on. Let's proceed to the next. No, dancehall artist Nesbeth disagrees with Dr. Love and others when they said, you know, Jamaicans sell out because of the way or the stadium full up because Messi and the rest of the team did a fire. So let's hear what going for to go on and proceed at the end.
Subtract a Messi from that lineup and tell me how you think the stadium would have looked. Subtract a Messi from that lineup, and you, in your honest self, tell me how you think the stadium would have looked. Not even the Prime Minister, I think, would have been there. Did you or did you not know that the Prime Minister was at that game because of a Messi? Well, I think so. And I want to believe so. I may be wrong. You never can tell. But it is more likely he was there because of a Messi. You understand what I say? So, the point of the matter is that the stadium did not jam pack because of a Cavalier playing. No. The stadium was filled to capacity because of a Messi. Remember, you know, Messi in football is like Michael Jackson in a music in a king. You see me I deal it? And the thing about it is that sometimes you can't control a fan. You can't control the way in which a fan reacts sometimes. Them themselves can control themselves. When Michael Jackson sing, man carry out him woman, and the woman faint in him hand because of Michael Jackson. Thrilling voice and the fact that she is at the concert. And sometimes the man pay for her to go at the concert. You know what I say? So the reality of the situation is that when you become a fan of a person, sometimes the line is invisible. It's like you have been blown away. And for a lot of us that are stars supposed to understand that too. Queen Africa. When some people see you, it's like they want to worship your foot because are you sing Daddy Don't Touch Me Dear, are you sing Randy and them thing there. You understand what I say? And Serpi, as much as Serpi is public enemy number one. Well, I say my public enemy number one. But I think him up with a spot there. But if somebody sees Sir P in a real life now, believe you me, as much as him a public enemy number one or whatever it may be as it relates to being on the enemy chart, they're going to be blown away because guess what? There are a lot of fans look on Sir P following. It doesn't matter. Some people sit down and discuss about Sir P as if Sir P means so much to them. Even though them know Sir P has said some things where people will hurt people for. So let's not make the people appear as if they are the worst. I love my country. And of course, we can do some little, brushing up. Because as a people, we're not as strong as we would definitely want to be.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, the last time we hear from Nesbeth is when, I'm the Effects Cartel. Did win the thing, you see my answer. So I don't know if I might try win back some ratings with the people. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next. Now, MC Nuffy is not here for people trying to mess up his bag now that he's back on top. And it's the man. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because, so the people then wasn't, how should I say, they said that his performance was annoying. And then one Vibes Cartel to fire him. You know what I mean? So he's out here blasting, crab legs teeth that getting busted over there in England, you see my answer. So let's hear what go on for that to go on and then I proceed at the end.
The thing is to bring down Nuffy. The thing is to Nuffy lose the work, that's when you can go say, this is a cartel run him away. It's a cartel done with him. That's all you want. That's all we want as Jamaican. If somebody lose their work, not go on for them, then can have something to talk about them bad mind for nothing. Why we have to keep being bad mind against each other so long, every day, 24/7, 48/4? Why we have to keep being this person? Me get pay. You chat him out and you. 4 drunk one dog shit. Me get pay. What I want to know about an MC? I am a master of ceremony. My job, when you get an assignment, my job is everything where you see me do on the stage that me get paid for though. I want to fool, sir. Me the master of ceremony, supposed to keep the show alive. The artists who are DJ, they've never have a problem with me. I want to have a problem with me. I want to fool, sir. This is something I'm to Triple X right there. I'm saying something I'm to Triple X right there. England. I say same thing can't reach me. Just the same because I'm not get big up. Saying?
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about what he was saying. No, people, I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't watch the full, concert where they with Cartel and Nuffy, you see me. I only seen the clip, so I don't know if he was annoying the whole set or just a little 30-second clip we watch. You know what I mean? Cartel is not 100%. That's why you say Nuffy, on the stage with him. Because I've never needed that before. You feel me? At least not for that period of time, you see it. Because you don't know the things said, you know what I mean? Sometimes I'm going to get tired. Because, I'm artist 50%. So Nuffy there for hype up the crowd and thing. But I don't know, people that me saying Nuffy. How the girl Little Ma when she did run up on the stage with JC and Alicia Keys and Little Mom, that's what they remind me of, you know what I mean? I'm not sure if this is what they practice during rehearsal, but that's what's going on from where to go on, you see me? Anyway, let's proceed with the next. No, people, this case have come to an end. The parents of the girl, so Dukicha, believe what, the boy Joshua said happened. You know what I mean? He tried to save her and the ocean took her away, basically, you know what I mean? And they're asking the Dominican authorities to speed up the process so them can get, the certificate so them can You know what I mean? Put in the comment section what you think about that, my people. Do you believe that the ocean took her away or she's under the sun? You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, I believe him 90%. But I will put whatever the rest I have to say in the comment section. People are not gonna longer this no longer, you see me? Bless.